There we go.
Fucking blinded my camera.
Yep, we'll get him. Been in the corn. Yeah, daggone. Kid, you hear him?
Keeps my cholesterol down.
Yep. Oh.
That's my dog, Jar.
Yeah. All right. He's back there. These damn kids making him walk.
All them yokels been fucking. All right. Wait. Where's she? Somebody hit me down here.